My name is Prathamesh Belavagi and my roll number is 21 CE0014. So I have created this multi-utility stand here. So the purpose of creating this stand is to reduce the mess created in the washroom. Like there are a lot of things to handle there, like the toothpaste, the toothbrushes, combs, razor, trimmer, and shampoo sachets, etc. What you can do is you can just dump them all in these three components provided here. And what you can do is you can actually hang the toothbrushes vertically in these grooves provided. Each groove is 0.4 mm wide, which is optimum to hang a brush. Mm, and further on how I made this. So first of all, I actually used the polyvinyl option to make this heptagon here, to make this wire frame of the heptagon using the sketch option in the part design. Then I stacked four heptagons one upon other in the z direction, and then use the locked option to create this section here. Then use the thickness option to give it this 2 mm thickness. Then I replicated similarly here, and then I use the pad option to pad this edge over to this, and then use this edge to pad it over to this end only in the x direction. I didn't specify here the y and z direction. So I ended up with this flat surfaces here and here. Then I embedded a cube from the part option from here, and I will also show you its dimensions. Then I filleted to a 2 mm radius and then arrayed it. Use the array option or orthogonal array option to spread it in this x direction. And I also embedded two cubes. I embedded two spheres at the back to make this particular stand hang. So I embedded two spheres in the back and used the boolean option operator to cut down those spheres and end up with a nice groove which will make this particular stand hang on the wall. Then I meshed it up. I created the mesh and finally it looked something like this, the end product. And in the Cura software, then you can see the specifications here. The thickness is 0.2. I compromised this top and bottom thickness to 0.2 mm, but I actually increased the infill density to 60%, which will make its strength better. And I set the printing temperature as 200 degrees Celsius and build plate temperature as 60 degrees Celsius. The speed mentioned in the file as 60 mm per second, and use the addition as brim and then extruded as extruder 1. And you can also see the time as 7:42 minutes. I will also preview it to, so it will go like this. You can see.